Let's take a look at exercise 1508. So this is the kind of the ultimate part of expanding. So here we've got multiple things. And by the way, these are just really two separate things which we then going to add together. So let's take a look at thing number one. So I've got one here. I've got one that's going to be 2 times x plus y plus 3x plus y. Okay, so what does all that come to? Well, I got 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y is plus 2y, plus 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times y is 3y, which equals, so it's nice and simple, yeah? So I got a 2x and I got a 3x, so we're going to collect like terms. So a 2x and a 3x is going to be a 5x, plus a 2y and a 3y is going to be a 5y. And there's our answer. Now, some of these get a little bit curly. Let's have a go at number 14. There it is. Here's 14. So 14 is a bit more curly because you've got a negative in there. And watch what happens. So 10, you get an x plus 4 minus 2 times x minus 8. So this is, you treat it exactly the same way, but you've got to remember you're multiplying by a negative in the second half. So this is equal to 10 times x is 10x plus 10 times 4 is 40. Then you got negative 2 times x is minus 2x. And you got negative 2 times negative 8, which is plus 16. Now we're going to collect like terms. So you've got a 10x and a 2x, which is going to be an 8x. You've got a 40 and you've got a plus 16, which is going to be 56. And there's our answer. All right, let's do a bit more of a curly one here. Let's go for 20. Here we are, it's 20. So 20, I'll write 20 out here. It's 3, 6x minus 7 minus 5, 2x plus 19. Actually, this is quite a straightforward one. So 3 6s are 18x, 3 7s are minus 21, and you got minus 5 times that is minus 10x, minus 5 times 19. If I can do it that way here. 5 9s is 45, 5 1s is 5, and that's 9, so 95. Right, okay. 95, so it's going to be negative 95. All right, so what does that all come to? An 8x minus 18x minus 10x, that and that is going to be 8x. Then you've got, crikey, you've got a 95, and then you've got another 21. Well, 95 and 21 is going to be 116, so you've got minus 116. And there's your answer. All right, let's have a look at the next one. Actually, I'm just going to quickly check that 1 second. I'll just so on the calculators very quickly. Right, yeah, that looks good. Okay, that all works. That's fine. Okay, so that's the answer for number 20. All right, let's move on to that's 5.08. Let's do 5.09. 5.09 is a bit different, really, because it's saying let's solve these equations. And to solve them, well, we've got to expand them first. That's the main thing. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's just choose 1 or 2 of these. Let's just choose number 12, for example. There it is. 4, I'll just write that out. Actually, here is number. This is exercise 15.09. And we're doing number 12, question 12. Here it is. And it says 4 times x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 8. Nice. Okay, that's nice and straightforward. All right, there's only one set of brackets, so I'm going to expand the brackets first. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. I've got a 2x and an 8. So I want the 2x on the other side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from this side and subtract 2x from this side. Of course, 2x minus 2x is 0. And 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 12 is equal to 8. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Add 12 to both sides. Add 12 to both sides. Well, 12 and 12 minus 12 is 0, and I got 2x is equal to 8 and 12 is 20. Dividing both sides by 2, x is going to equal 10. And there's my answer. All right, what else we got here? Anything worth doing? Yeah, let's do number 20. Here's number 20. So 20 is usually always the one to really get your head around because it's the usually the hardest one on the page, and they purposely make it a little bit more, I suppose, gnarly, as I'd say. So number 20, you've got, what do you got here? You've got a 12 times x plus 3 minus 3 times x minus 7 is all equal to 3. Oh, well, that's not too bad. So 12 times x is 12x. 12 times 3 is plus 36. Minus 3 times x, 3x. 3 times negative 7 is going to be plus 21 is equal to 3. All right, well, we can collect like terms pretty easily here, really. Let's get all the knowns on one side and all the unknowns on the other. Before I even do that, I can actually just add and subtract a whole bunch. So I've got a 12x and a negative 3x, which is going to be a 9x, so that's gone. I've got a 36 and a 21. Well, 36 and 21 is 57. So that's going to be those two. So that's plus 57 is equal to 3. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go subtract 57 from both sides. There it is. So 9x is equal to, well, 3 minus 57 is negative 54. And if I divide both sides by 9, leaving me with an x, 9 goes into 54. Well, 9 sixes are 54. And one of them is negative, so the answer must be negative. And there's my answer.